We've got increasingly windy conditions developing and severe gales across the mountains for a good part of this weekend, I'm afraid. This is Friday's chart first of all. We've got less cold air being dragged across the country as a warm front passes eastwards. Temperatures above freezing point then on the higher mountains, but still feeling rather chilly. We're exposed to a brisk wind, near gale force across the higher tops in the highlands. Rather murky conditions, damp air that's being drawn in from the Atlantic will produce drizzly conditions across western mountains. Some steadier light rain, fairly persistent across west and northwest Scotland. Drier conditions the further east you go, the higher cloud breaks to be found the eastern side of the Highlands and across the eastern side of the Pennines. To run the sequence then, starting from midday on Friday, and drizzly conditions stay in place across the west and the northwest through Friday afternoon and evening, and then we draw in a more active frontal system heading into Friday night with some heavier rain developing across western Scotland into the early hours of Saturday. And as we go forwards now in 3-hour steps, this is accumulating rainfall through to dawn, pretty heavy across the west and northwest of Scotland. Heaviest rain focused on the West Highlands in the first few hours of Saturday morning. A front will be passing southwards though as we head onwards through the day, so it will break up a little bit across the Highlands with time, but turns wetter across the Lake District and Wales through into the afternoon. Some brighter skies toward the eastern side of the Highlands, cloud bases lifting a little bit through the day, but still some rain and showers coming in to the west. Temperatures will drop as well, down to freezing point again on the higher Munros by later Saturday. A very windy day though, gales or severe gales across most of the mountains throughout, wind gusts 60-70 miles per hour or more on some of the higher tops. That will be a similar story onwards into Sunday. A front will clear southwards. We're left with areas of showers, maybe something a bit more frequent at times coming into northwest Scotland. Small amounts of rain with some sleet and some snow on the higher Munros in Scotland, but it stays a very windy day through into Sunday, particularly in the morning. Severe conditions across the Highlands, gales widespread across northern England too. The Welsh mountains may escape with comparatively lighter winds, but still a blustery day. The worst of the winds just easing down a touch through Sunday afternoon, but you can expect a very wild day across the mountains throughout. We'll have more details for the week ahead in your Friday planner tomorrow. That is your fleeting view. Thanks for watching.